Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wells Fargo Bill Pay to fund a crypto purchase, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Wells Fargo homepage. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Bill Pay option in the main menu. Click on Bill Pay to access your bill payment settings. Next, select the option to add a payee. In the payee details, enter the information for the crypto exchange you wish to use. This information typically includes the exchange name, account number, and payment address. After entering the details, double-check for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Add Payee to complete the process. Next, return to the Bill Pay section. Select the newly added crypto exchange from your list of payees. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to fund your crypto purchase. Choose the payment date that works best for you. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the payment. After entering all necessary details, click on Schedule Payment. You will receive a confirmation. Make a note of the payment date and expected processing time. Now, navigate to the crypto exchange platform of your choice. Create or log into your account on the exchange. Find the section for funding or depositing your account. Select the option for bank transfers or bill payments. Review the funding instructions provided by the exchange carefully. You might need to enter a reference or memo code for your transaction. Return to your Wells Fargo account to ensure everything is set up correctly. Keep an eye on your payment status until it is processed. Once the payment is completed, check your crypto exchange account for the deposit. You are now ready to proceed with your crypto purchase. Make sure to follow any additional steps specific to the exchange for executing your trade. Always monitor your transactions and keep your account information secure. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Wells Fargo Bill Pay for a crypto purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.